It's the calm before the storm as we kick off the day with our exhibition game between the Junior Boomers and the Street Hoops basketball camp before the finals showdown later, live here at the Marikina Sports Center, where it's all set for another day of great basketball action in the city of Marikina. As we can see, keep an eye on these future stars. Raiden Chan showcasing a nice mix of shooting and attacking ability, a young talent. On the other side naman, we have Jack Almadin, a lengthy guard who uses his size well, disruptive on defense and capable of making plays on both ends. This is our preliminary game, Street Hoops basketball, going up against Junior Boomers. Good afternoon, mga kasinag. I'm Air Alaw, your anchor for today. And syempre, joining us for today is our league president, our analyst, Boss Ray Alaw. Boss, good afternoon. Kamusta?
Yes, good afternoon. Nakakatuwa yung mga batang to, no? Magpapakita sila ng mga gilas nila dito sa Sinagliga Asia natin. I think ginawa to para sa Junior World Showcase natin, July 1 to 5, para makita nila yung mga 13 under. Abangan niyo po yung mga bata na to.
Oo, and syempre, let's not forget on the sidelines, sharing us her stories, Boss Ray, itong si Bianca Alejandre na makakasama natin dito sa panel. And syempre, don't forget to like our social media pages at Facebook and Instagram at Sinagliga Asia. And also, don't forget to support us by watching us live at on TikTok and Facebook and YouTube at Sinagliga TV. Kaya very exciting yung magiging games today, Boss Ray. Syempre, sisimulan natin na maging exciting to by, yan nga, yung mga batang ito maglalaro muna bago tayo magkaroon ng finals game between the Exile and Fire Chief.
Ang maganda dyan kasi, Coach Ernest, yung mga batang to, walang alam mo yun, walang hesitation yan pag naglaro. Takbuhan dito, layup dito, atake dito, depensa. Talagang lahat yan ini-enjoy pa nila yung moment na to.
Oo, kaya dito tayo makakakita ng mga bagong talents. And now let's turn it over to our courtside, Mr. Ram Valid.
Good afternoon, SLA fans, and welcome to the exhibition game of two great teams in this city. It's the battle between Junior Boomers and Street Hoops basketball. It's time to meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Junior Boomers. Starting at guard number 8, Kirk Saul. The other guard number 13, Rated Jujan. At forward number 14, Zach Concepcion. The other forward number 7, Jaden Concepcion. And center number 3, Shokin Cole. Head coach is Jam Concepcion, assisted by John Concepcion and Kim Di Pedro. Let's meet the starters for your Street Hoops basketball. At guard, number 24, Jack Almadin. The other guard, number 1, Ivor Mendez. At center, number 8, Clarence Backhill. At forward, number 28, Prince Pena. And the other forward, number 43, Wee Cos. Head coach is Ben Joel Almadin, assisted by Isaiah James Ranosa. Game officials are Jong Banayad, Michael Galatera, and Jess Boros.
And for our starters para sa Street Hoops Basketball, we have Peña, Mendez, Bakir, Cos at Jack Almadin para naman sa Junior Boomers. We have Zach Concepcion, Joaquim Gamaliel Co, Jaden Concepcion, Kirk So, and eto na nga, Raiden Jude Chan.
Ano masabi mo dyan, Coach Ernest? Siyempre, unang-una, yung mga batang to, talagang, parang kanina napansin ko, gulat na gulat sila dahil may mga camera. Tapos may mga ganitong official, like mga referee natin, tapos yung official table, itong may panel pa, may courtside, di ba, may mga director sila nakikita. Parang nakikita ko, tinuturo nila, pinag-uusapan nila eh. What do you think?
This is gonna be a huge blessing for these guys na makapaglaro agad sa gantong environment. Kasi pag nasanay na sila sa cameras, nasanay na sila sa madaming tao, sa gantong professional na setup, mas lalaki yung kumpiyansa nila pag naglaro na sila doon sa mga mas mabababa pang liga eh. Kaya malaking opportunity sa kanila to na mas mag-grow pa sa basketball nila. Especially itong si Jack Almadin at si Choi Chan.
Jaden Chan. Ganda niya, no? Totoo, no? Kasi para sa mga parents, hindi lang sila mag-enjoy dito, pati mga anak nila.
And yan na nga yung ina-expect natin. Street Hoops Basketball starting the game strong with Jack Almadin making his first shot dito, Boss Ray.
Kung makikita mo, yung height advantage ng street basketball, di ba? Parang ang lalaki compared din sa white team.
There are more 14-year-olds daw sa kanila kaysa dito sa Junior Boomers na puro 12 and 13. Para naman dito sa Junior Boomers, dalawa lang yung 14 sa kanila. Kaya yes, may age difference. Medyo magsa-struggle sila in terms of experience. Pero for sure, laban tong mga to. Miscommunication on the Junior Boomers is part. Quick turnover para sa kanila.
Yung mga 14 na to, parang, alam mo yung sanay na sa street basketball.
Oo. And syempre, yun nga yung talagang pangalan neto ni Coach Benjo Almadin na talagang Street Hoops Basketball. Kumukuha siya ng mga players na naglalaro sa mga barangay, pinapagaling niya, ginaguide niya sa camp niya.
Yun ang maganda kay Coach Benjo Almadin. Parang because of passion niya yung paglalaro ng basketball, itinutulong niya rin at the same time.
Yes. As we see, number 3 finding someone open. Finds number 14. Going up against Jack Almadin. Good defense.
Hindi basta-basta makaka-attack itong white kasi ang ganda ng depensa na pinapakita ng Street Hoopers.
Oo. As we see, Raiden Chan. Yeah, that's gonna be a 24 shot clock violation para sa Junior Boomers. Finding difficulty kung sino yung hahanapin to take the shot para sa kanila dito.
Totoo yun. Actually, di ba na si Jaden Chan doon. Dapat niya nang itira yun. Pero tingnan natin, baka kumukuha pa sila ng mga rating ng bawat isa.
Quick lob pass. Offensive rebound for number 8. Finishes on that second chance points.
Junior Boomers, ito yung sa Chengkwang School ba? Concernes.
Oo. Quick steal for Jack Almadin. Finds the open guy, number 28. Being unselfish. Good transition offense para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball. You can see Coach Benjo being very happy dun sa pinapakita ng mga bata niya.
Totoo yun. Kaya, actually, nasa kabila pala si Coach Kim Di Pedro ng Leap Basketball.
Oo.
Tingnan natin ang gagawin ni Choi. Pasa, yun lang. Nasa gilid masyado.
So as we can see again, number 28 passes it to number 4. A good transition offense para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball. Number 28 fakes, goes to the left. 43 passes it. Miss. Lamang na lamang sila sa offensive rebound dito. Yun na nga, Boss Ray. Tulad ng sinabi mo kanina, the height advantage does it all para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball.
Totoo. Kasi kita mo, ang haba. Rebound nila, follow up nila. Talagang yun ang nangyayari.
Oo, so a quick adjustment dapat ang mangyayari dito para sa Junior Boomers. Call a timeout. Tell the kids na kailangan every time na may titira, go for the rebound. bago mangyari yon, kailangan box out muna tayo. So that's gonna be a 10-0 run para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball. Led by this guy, number 28, forcing turnovers, running his lane. Napakagaling na bata. We'll have a timeout. And syempre, Legend Spot at Antel Spa Suites Residences Unit S2, Barangay Poblacion, Makati City. Available on Grab Food. Napakasarap ng cake, Boss Ray, kagabi. Solid na solid.
Ilan ba nakain mong cake kagabi?
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Ako parang nakadalawa ata ako. Ang sarap ng ubi cake. Ikaw ang kinain mo ata chocolate cake kung hindi ako nagkakamali.
Number 18, floater, misses, get his own rebound, finishes again. And they just continue what they are doing. Nahihirapan makakuha ng rebound itong Junior Boomers, allowing many second chance points para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball.
Galing naman ng bata na yun. Biro mo, sa-convert niya pa yun, nag-hang time, tapos tira. Galing.
Yeah, talented players here for Coach Benjo Almadin. Talagang makikita mong madami silang nalalaruan. Uy, medyo malambot pa yung tuhod ni Raiden Chandon sa cut na yun. Pero good intention, hindi lang talaga nag-workout. As a platoon substitution for Coach Kim and the rest of the Junior Boomers. Baka this time, yung bagong lima, mag-workout dito, Boss Ray.
Yes, correct, Coach Ernest. Kasi kailangan yung mga pasa, especially kanina yung kay Raiden, i-establish niya muna yung paa niya, then kunin niya na maganda yung bola para may connect niya.
Yeah.
Ang nangyari kasi, sinabay niya yung pagkuha ng bola sa pagtalon niya. Matututunan ni Raiden yan.
As we can see, number 18, itong si Silem Hedia for number 05, making his shot. Itong si John Ray Alex.
Grabe naman yun. Parang baliwala sa kanya yung 3 points, Coach Ernest.
Oo.
Parang dinagay lang.
Yeah, zone defense para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball. Number 14 takes his shot, misses. As number 7 gets his own gets the rebound. Cuts. Run para dito Street Hoops Basketball with 3 minutes to go pa din. Boss Ray, what do you think the adjustment should be para dito sa Junior Boomers for them to make their first basket here?
Siguro, number 1, yung depensa nila, improve nila. Kung pwede, tauhin na nila dahil lahat nakakapukol, lahat marunong.
Yeah.
Diba? Ayan,
Nice.
kaya naman yung depensa ng ganun. So, yun, ganun ang gagawin nila.
Yeah, Zach Concepcion gets the steal, runs his one-man fast break, nag-miss man, pero may opportunity siyang ma-break itong 19-0 run ng Street Hoops Basketball.
Siguro kausapin ni Coach Kim sa kanong head coach yung mga bata na tumipensa. Kasi ang nangyayari, parang tinitingnan lang nila, Coach Ernest. Tinitingnan lang tumira, lumay-up. So, dapat magkaroon ng magandang depensa. Higpitan nila yung itong Street Hoops Basketball.
As number 14, Zach Concepcion makes his first shot, misses the second. Number 19, Zoe Valenzuela. Number 5, medyo nadulas yung bola doon. A sorry turnover para sa kanya, pero you can see the adjustment of the coaches na okay lang, bawi na lang. Yan yung magandang makita nitong mga players na to na habang bata pa sila may support system na gano'n.
Totoo, kasi mas motivate yung mga bata na Okay. Susunod dito. Tama ko yung mali ko.
Clean block by number 12. Itong si Yuan Bendoy.
Ang lalaki.
Oo, may hirapan talaga itong Junior Boomers to score as well as get inside the paint. Kaya na-force silang tumira sa labas. As 18 commits his first foul here. Itong si Silem Hedia.
19-1 tayo. Coach Ernest, kailangan makarecover dito ang Junior Boomers.
Oo, Miggy Concepcion shoots his first. That's gonna be a miss.
Baka makikita mo talaga ng mga bata pa to. Kita mo doon kinta sa game, di ba?
Yeah, so very important then as well when we're talking about defense. Miggy Concepcion makes his second. Very important din, Boss Ray. Ano masasabi mo na kailangan maging adjustment? Pero timeout muna para kay Coach Benjo and the rest of the Street Hoops Basketball. Babalikan natin yung conversation na yung mamaya.
Okay, thank you.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Clipsy, the newest partner of Sinag Liga Asia, continue supporting this new app called Clipsy and syempre, yung favorite nating mascot na si Monkey C.
Monkey C, kapatid ni Punch. Sa Japan Zoo.
And now, yun nga, tulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, Boss Ray, as we're heading back to this game, gaano ka-importante for these players na dumepensa ng man-to-man. Ngayon kasi nakikita natin for both coaches, nagsistick lang sila sa zona na depensa.
Totoo yun, Coach Ernest. Kagaya niyan, nag-double effort pa itong Street Hoops, ha? Kahit na alam nilang lamang na lamang sila.
Counter steal for number 14. Ito si Zach Concepcion. Miscommunication. Same ball, they get an opportunity na makapag-set up dito sa baseline offense nila. Zoe Valenzuela.
Itong Street Hoops na basketball ng mga batang to,
Yeah.
matagal nang tinuturuan to ni Coach Benjo. Almadin malamang kasi parang magkakilala na sila at sanay na sa mga gagawin nila.
And the way they play defense as well as offense, yung both ends of the floor, talagang very systemized, maayos na maayos silang tignan dito. As we see number 24, cuts, fakes, block na naman.
Ang haba talaga nun.
Yeah, number 12, ito si Yuan Bendoy.
Talagang parang kailangan mo dito gawin sa Street Hoops basketball na to for fast break ka o kaya tira sa labas eh.
Oo.
Sa haba eh.
And kailangan makapag-commit ka makapag-force ka ng madaming turnovers sa mga batang to. Kasi yung iba dito struggling pa mag-dribble, nahihirapan pang pumasa ng malakas. So, kailangan consistently trapping yung depensa mo dito.
Yun nga, isa yun sa pini-point out natin kanina pa na dapat, alam mo yun, magpantuman na itong Junior Boomers. Kasi
Oo.
tama ka doon. Hindi naman lahat yan marunong pa magdala ng bola. Yung iba dyan, 1-2 hawak, pasa.
It's number 14, Zach Concepcion uses the ball screen, finds number 18, fakes, floater,
Ganda.
Tyler Concepcion, ganda ng action doon. Right after the fake, just takes 2 dribble, then floats, perfect na perfect.
Ito, haba talaga. Kagaya nun, di ba? Pag may
Yeah.
pantay, ipapasa niya eh.
Number 5, misses, gets his own rebound, finds someone open, libre. Itong si number 12. Pero yun nga, lamang na lamang sa height. Jack Almadin gets the rebound, finds someone open. Good pass by Jack Almadin as John Ray Alex makes the corner shot.
Shooter eh. Ang ganda ng ano yan, follow through. Bata pa lang, may forma ng tira.
As Tyler Concepcion misses that corner shot. Si John Ray Alex gets the rebound, finding someone open. Transition. Number 12, libre-libre. Ang dali ng buhay
Yan na, tinutok na.
for Yuan Bendoy.
Pag ganito ng game na to ha, pag may naka-scout sa kanila, pwedeng kunin yung mga batang yan.
Oo.
Dahil lang haba eh.
Yuan Concepcion. Or sorry, Zach Concepcion. Jack Almadin. Forward pass. Grabe, yung mentality nitong Jack Almadin, alam mo yun, patay ko yung coach, pero yung unselfishness niya, finding someone open, being very unselfish. Good shot
Grabe.
by Zach Concepcion. 30-35 footer. No problem whatsoever as they end this first quarter here. Tignan natin. 1 second to go. Good na good. 0.5 to spare. As we end itong first quarter with 28-7 lamang ng Street Hoops Basketball. And please don't forget to support us by liking, following us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram at Sinag Liga Asia, as well as Facebook and YouTube and TikTok. Naka-live po kami doon at Sinag Liga TV.
Muli, nandito na naman tayo, Coach Ernest. Yung ginagawa ni Coach Benjo Almadin, ano mga sabi mo doon?
Yeah, talagang maganda yung game plan nila dito na despite of this being an exhibition game, talagang diin. Kundi as we can see, Coach Kim consistently telling his players, guiding them kung ano yung dapat gawin to limit yung turnovers nila for them to play better. And ngayon, very exciting kung ano magiging adjustment nila dito as we see Raiden Jude Chan back to the ball game here. Ang sigla ni Coach Kim, kitang-kita sa screen. Ang
Busog-busog. Yan, ang head coach, siyempre, Jefferson Concepcion ng Junior Boomers.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng ginagawa ni Coach Concepcion kasi nabibigyan niya ng break yung mga bata para makita yung talent. Ibig sabihin, anak niya yung Concepcion na nakatira.
Oo. And actually, apat yung Concepcion dito. So we're not sure kung lahat ba yun anak niya. Pero the Junior Boomers are showing effort here as Jack Almadin forces another turnover. Good unselfishness again. Good transition offense for Street Hoops Basketball. Yung spacing nila, even sa pagkabata na to, talagang alam na nila yung gagawin. As we see number 3, Joaquim Ko.
Ang ganda ng mga pasahan nila, no?
Oo. Another turnover. Number 1, Mendez takes it all by himself.
Pero magandang experience to para sa Junior Boomers kasi pag laro na sila ng mga inter-school nila, sanay na sila na ganyang kalalaking kalaban.
Oo, and that's what I was saying to Boss Rocky as well, na magandang experience. Number 7, catch. It's gonna be a miss. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko kay Boss Rocky kanina, Boss Ray, na malaking opportunity for Choi. Ito nga, nakakalaban niya yung mga gantong matatanda na, yung mga experience na, para mas ma-model niya yung laro niya sa mga gantong bata. Mabilis, walang takot, laro lang ng laro. As we can take a look at number 1, itong si John Iver Mendez. Takes it all by himself. Ganda na ng layup, kahit bata pa.
So, ang ganda ng pasangan kasi nitong Street Hoops Basketball.
Oo, number 7 gets the rebound.
Parang ang tatagal na nila magkakasama.
Yeah, Zach Concepcion. Finding someone open. Chan. Number 24. Miggy Concepcion.
Yun ang matututunan ni Choi eh.
And now let's turn it over to our courtside. Bianca, what do you have for us?
Coach Air Boss Ray, in basketball, nothing is ever given. Everything is earned. And as young as these players are, I'm sure it is something they understand deeply. Coach Jeff Concepcion of the Junior Boomers has said, compared daw sa street hoops, they are at a disadvantage with their height, but we will give them a good fight. On the other hand, Coach Benjo Almadin mentions that their strength lies in their teamwork, and what matters most is to show their best and have fun. Two promising teams are battling for supremacy. Let's see which one could better reflect the future of Philippine basketball. Over to you, Coach Air Boss Ray.
Thank you for that, Bianca. Ang ganda ng mentality ng dalawang coaches doon based on the report, Boss Ray. For Kuya Benjo, for Coach Benjo, teamwork, talagang utilizing yung strength nila, which is their height, tsaka yung speed. Para naman dito sa kay Coach Jeff and Coach Kim, alam nilang nasa disadvantage sila ngayon, pero binigay at in-instill nila sa mga players na pahirapan natin sila, laruin pa rin natin ng maayos, and which is very good na makita at malaman na ng mga players na, alam mo yun, may nagsasabi, may nagga-guide ng mga coaches ng positivity through basketball, and magandang growth para sa kanila.
Actually, sa ganitong edad, kahit isang taon lang ang tanda sa'yo, mas advantage talaga yun.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi to kagaya nung na-pro na or nasa mga college, kahit lamang ka ng 2 taon, pero kung mas magaling yung mas bata sa'yo, basta sa college yun, nasa sa pro.
Yeah.
Pero pagdating sa mga ganito na parang elementary or pa-high school pa lang, advantage talaga yung medyo lamang yung matanda sa isang taon o 2 taon.
As we see, number 1, Mendez finding someone open. Number 28, Peña. Number 3,
Alam nila kung sino babantayan nila eh.
Jaden Concepcion, passes it to Chan. Misses dun
Yan
sa
na.
bank shot. Sayang.
Yan na, nakapukol na. Gaganahan na yan.
Mendez, sobrang libre doon, Boss Ray, as we can take a look na naman dito sa street hoops basketball dun sa pagiging agile, pagiging mabilis nila sa transition after ng pag-force ng turnover, after makadepensa ng maayos, takbuhan agad, walang ibang ginagawa.
Yun ang advantage ng street hoops basketball kasi sila ang ganda ng pasahan. Dito sa Junior Boomers, kailangan i-develop nila yung dribbling skills nila, yung pasahan nila. Wow, ang ganda ng
Good
atake.
shot by Joaquim Ko.
Ang atake ng bata na yun.
Yeah, itong mga batang to, very capable of shooting yung mga floater shots na yun, which will be very important sa paglaki nila. Reason being, yun yung pinakamagandang good pass, by the way, for number 28. Ito si Prince Peña para dito. Sa number 8, si John Bakil.
Hindi naman nakita niya pa na open yung
Oo.
teammate niya, di ba? Yung mga age na ganyan, di ba? Parang hirap eh, pero sila na-develop na nila yung pasa na yun.
That's why if ever man na makita at mapanood ito nila Coach Jeff and Coach Benjo and even Coach Kim, they should try to help itong mga players na to by teaching them man-to-man defense as well, kasi nakikita natin kahit tambak na nagsistick pa rin sila sa zona na defense, and alam mo to, Boss Ray, growing up, pagdating sa high school, pagdating sa college, and even pro, hindi na gumagamit ng zona. So pag hindi mo alam yung mga terminologies, pagdating mo ng high school, pagdating mo ng NCU up, may iwanan at may iwanan ka talaga.
Totoo yun, kaya kailangan may mga bata pa lang matutunan sila mag-adjust. Kung paano yung depensa, opensa, anong ginagawa nila.
Joaquim Ko misses that one entirely. Itong number 18, I think. Number 1. Ito si John Mendez. Yeah, easy basketball para dito sa street hoops.
Yung point guard nila na si Ko, pag na-develop pa to, maraming pahirapan tong batang to.
He has that touch. Napaka-shooter na bata, even though his size is a little bit small. Pero Raiden Chan. And this is very important then for Coach Kim, as Jack Almadin forces another turnover. Fancy passing para dito sa street hoops. Wow!
Alam nila kung sino yung mababasahan nila eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Kahit na nagtatakbuhan sila, di ba? alam mo yung kahit sabihin yung fancy, tingnan natin yung replay.
Look at this, boss. Jack Almadin forces the turnover. Fancy passing, back-to-back. Ganda. Sobrang perfect. That's our play of the game. We'll be having a timeout. We'll be back.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
And we are back here, Boss Ray, dito sa Marikina Sports Center, the heart of Marikina City. As we can see some staff ng Clipsy. So very exciting ahead as we can see some fans here, mga parents dito ng Street Hoops Basketball. Talagang fully supportive sa sports ng mga anak.
Siyempre, masayang-masaya yung mga yan. Naka-live yung mga anak nila ngayon.
Oo, sobrang laking blessing na makapaglaro itong mga to sa gantong kalaking liga. As another turnover para dito sa, that's gonna be a traveling, I think. It is. So another chance para dito sa Junior Boomers na liitan yung lamang dito ng Street Hoops Basketball. And they think they should set up itong si Raiden Chan because when we were playing against him sa papawis natin, Boss Ray, kita naman natin, may bitaw talaga itong bata.
Totoo yun. Basta wag lang siya maiya, ilaro niya lang yung laro niya. Kasi tama yung pinag-usapan natin kanina eh. Magandang exposure to kay Junior Boomers na malakas ang kalaban nila kaysa sa ang kakalaban nila na alam mo mas malakas sila. Mas advantage sa kanila to kasi may matututunan sila.
Yes.
Especially sa mga inter-school nila.
Styler Concepcion misses his first one. We'll have another opportunity here sa pangalawa niya. Still misses. Rebounded by number 12, Yuan Bendoy. Good passing. Number 5 misses. Number 25 gets the rebound. Elijah Concepcion. Madaming Concepcion dito.
Oo.
Same ball.
Hindi, nahawakan na.
No,
ni Choi.
nakawakan ni Choi.
Yes.
Pero yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, Boss Ray, no, na important din to for Coach Kim na makita yung laro ni Choi dito. And hopefully, pag nagpapatraining si Boss Rocky sa kanya, sana kinukuha niya yung mga clips, mga sanang ginawa na pangit or maganda ni Choi, mga adjustment, yung pagtanggal ng mga body language niya na ganyan. Habang bata pa, as we can see, si Boss Rocky, Ma'am Janice, fully supportive dito sa anak nila na si Choi.
Siyempre, masayang-masaya. Lalo na nanonood si Boss Jun Vicente ng J Project. Alam mo bang ginawa yung uniform na yan? Isang araw lang.
Grabe.
Ganon supportive si Boss Jun Vicente ng J Project kay Chairman Rocky Chan.
Styler Concepcion misses his first one again, but you have to love the aggressiveness of this kid na despite of them struggling, wala pa rin siyang takot na drive and fish for the fouls here. Pero yun yung problema. Nagsistruggle siyang ma-shoot yung mga free throws na yun. It's number 12 makes it again. Yuan Bendoy. Height is might para sa Street Hoops Basketball dito.
Ang laki talaga eh.
Ang laki talaga. Si Elijah Concepcion brings down the ball. Good crossover. Good fake. Raiden Chan, libre-libre. Take your time.
Muntik na yun.
Continues to miss. Bendoy gets the rebound again. Running game para sa Street Hoops Basketball. 3-on-2. Good steal by Raiden Chan. Good effort. Good force of turnover sa kanila yung bola because of his effort.
Tayo lang siya, di ba?
Yeah.
Pagkatumagsak. Yan dapat matutunan nila. Walang arte, takbo, baba. Ngayon siguro itry naman ni Choi umatake.
Yes, oo. Pero talagang nabibigyan siya ng mga open looks kaya ganda rin na confidence booster to para sa kanya. Kailangan niya lang talaga ma-shoot yun, Boss Ray. Number 25, struggling to find someone open. Tyler Concepcion drives. Uses the
And
contact
one.
and the focus. Onting talagang flex ng muscle, makes his first shot here.
Ganda naman kasi talaga.
Grabe, absorbing the contact, still focused dun sa shot, and that's the move of the game para dito kay Tyler Concepcion as he makes the 3-point play. That's good.
Kala nila dalawa, hindi na alam end one.
Yeah, and as he guide itong mga batang to, very important rin na ituro yung mga rules, yung mga details pagdating sa sports ng basketball, hindi lang basta laro. Yeah, exciting plays happening here para dito sa exhibition game natin as we have 48 and 14 para sa second quarter highlights. Street Hoops basketball continues to dominate itong Junior Boomers, pero you have to appreciate ito si Joaquim Ko, Elijah Concepcion, Tyler Concepcion, and Raiden Chan just continuing to play and continuing to prove dito sa Street Hoops na they are worthy of being their opponent. Pero Street Hoops basketball just continuing their dominance, 48-14.
Hi mga kasinag, this is Jonah of J Project Bombers. Watch the wordplay. Sinag Liga Asia World Showcase, July 1 to 5, 2026 in Cebu City, Philippines.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Lahat ng future stars sa basketball nadidiscover nila. Basta dito
We're here to request
Nagliga siya. Sa laban hindi
July 1 to 5.
lagi nandyan. Kasi sabi nga nila ay we are
There's a game in Coliseum. It's for free. Everything is free here. Those are available.
Mga kasinag, abangan mo kami dito sa Cebu sa July 1 to 5.
Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Coach Air, Boss Ray, kasama ko nga ngayon ang mga future stars ng Philippine basketball, Jack Almadin at Raiden Jude-Chan. Jack, kamusta ka at how happy are you that you're playing in a league as big as Sinag Liga Asia?
Super happy po ako kasi nakapaglaro po ako sa Sinag League Asia and kasama ko po yung mga teammates ko.
Jack, I heard na you are set to play at the Junior World Showcase in Cebu, playing alongside Raiden. Kamusta ang preparation mo para sa game na ito?
My preparation is our coach teaching me defense, execute the play, and coordinations. Since mga close friends ko naman ang mga kasama ko, enjoy the game and have some fun.
Jack, sino ang gusto mong batiin sa mga viewers mo ngayon?
Maraming salamat sa Sinag League Asia na nakalaro po ako dito and kasama ko mga teammates ko. And shoutout po sa La Fuente family and Almadin family. And sa mga friends ko po. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Jack. Ngayon naman, kasama ko si Raiden Jude-Chan. Raiden, how happy are you? Ikaw naman, anong feeling mo that you're playing in a league as big as SLA?
I'm really happy that God gave me this opportunity to prepare. Yeah,
Raiden, you are set to play alongside Jack at the Junior World Showcase in Cebu. How happy are you feeling and what are you looking forward to in this game?
I'm looking forward to preparing my skills for the JWS, and I'm hoping to, what do you call this? Battle other countries.
Raiden, if you would greet anyone from your viewers, who would they be?
My lolo and lolas in Iloilo and Mandaluyong, and to my angkong in CDO, and Nanay Loida Siscar and Tatay Edgar and Kuya Irigi, Tito Jason, Tita Vivian and Ate AJ, all the way from Australia, Mommy Tess and Daddy June, and of course to my idol, Tito Boss Ray, and also Tito Boss June of J Project. Thank you po for the jersey. To my friends, classmates, teachers at Philippine Chenkwang, special mention to Khalid, Drasiv, JL, and Cyrese, J. Villinogon, and all my family members. Also, please visit Legend Spot by J Project Cafe in Makati Avenue. And of course, lastly, I like to thank my mom and my dad for all the support. And guys, please always support Sinag Liga Asia.
Thank you so much, Raiden Jude-Chan and Jack Almadin. Balik sa inyo, Coach Air, Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Bianca, for that halftime report para dito kay Jack Almadin and Raiden Chan. As we have our halftime score here, Street Hoops Basketball 48 and Junior Boomers 14. Halftime highlights naman natin, just brilliant dominance para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball as well as Junior Boomers. Unti-unting mahabol dito, led by this guy, Joaquim Co, Tyler Concepcion, and Elijah Concepcion as well as Raiden Chan. Pero just complete dominance para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball as they continue to play their usual style of basketball, just continuing to run, forcing turnovers. And now, balik na tayo sa third quarter natin. Just excitement ahead para dito. As we can see, para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball, strong five agad. Talagang big players ang pinasok, led by Jack Almadin para naman dito sa Junior Boomers, led by this guy, Raiden Chan. Talagang hoping for a comeback here dito sa third quarter natin.
Yes, ang kailangan nila, dumipensa talaga, Coach Ernest. Itong sa pangunan ni Choi. Kasi nakita ko, alam mo yun, nakatitignan sila sa mga, yan, ganyan dapat ang ginagawa nila ngayon.
Yeah, great effort. Pero walang problema for John Mendez as he gets the rebound, fade away. Panis, napanis, Boss Ray.
Dalaki.
Yeah. Raiden Chan drives right, passes it back to number 25, Elijah Concepcion. Medyo mabagal yung pag-setup nila dito as Street Hoops continues to force their turnovers here. Number 28, ito si Prince Peña.
Alam ni Peña na nasa kaliwa siya, no? Talagang pinakitaan tayo ng kaliwa niya doon.
Oo, off-foot layup para dito kay Prince Peña. Talagang maganda yung pagturo ni Kuya, Coach Benjo Almadina. Si forces another turnover going up against Elijah this time. Walang problema, Boss Ray.
Inulit lang.
Inulit lang. That off-foot layup.
Parang kambal itong dalawa eh. No?
Oo, magkakamukha itong mga conception eh.
Oo, parang kambal, no?
Yeah, there's gonna be a foul this time. As Raiden Chan takes out the ball. Passes it to Tyler Concepcion. Pass back. Medyo mahina. Yan yung sinasabi ko, Boss Ray. As we see, itong si John Mendez again. Just so brilliant itong mga players ng Street Hoops. Alam na alam nila yung timing kung kailan naagaw. Talagang nakastay in front lang sila eh.
So yung concerned, kaya ang magagawa na lang nitong Junior Boomers, ipasa agad ng mas mabilis at medyo malakas.
Oh man, that's 3 times in a row, Boss Ray, as Prince Peña just doing what he does best, timing that ball correctly. Pag nag-relax yung nagde-dribble, yung timing niya umagaw, sobrang perfect eh, magugulat ka eh. Jack Almadin, sobrang haba na abot yung bola doon. Set tayo.
Ang pinagtataka ko, nagkakadyo sa Junior Boomers, di ba? Nakita na nila na ulit nangyayari sa mga players nila.
Oo, talagang nagulat sila dito sa style of basketball dito ng Street Hoops where they consistently pressure you, not giving you any room to breathe. Nahirapan yung Junior Boomers dito and I think what they should adjust to is, as we can take a look, ito si Prince Peña, that off-foot left-hand layup, that's the move of the game.
Kasi kung makikita mo, alam na nila eh, basa na nila eh. Nagpapasahan dito, paulit-ulit, huli na naman, istila na naman, di ba?
Same story, Boss Ray, pang-apat na yan.
Di ba? So, hindi ko alam kung
Another steal.
nakikita ba nila Coach Kim yun, di ba?
Yeah, and I think that's gonna be a timeout. A quick timeout dito sa third quarter. Reason being, medyo nagsastruggle itong mga players ng Junior Boomers kung paano mabababa yung bola as well as makapag-set up ng play. Same story para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball as John Mendez. Same, paulit-ulit siya na naman yung nangunguna. Led by these players like Peña, itong si Mendez and Jack Almadin as well. It's gonna be a timeout. And syempre, 2026 Junior World Showcase in Cebu, July 1 to 5. Boss Ray, how exciting is it? Ito, na makakapunta tayo ng Cebu as we see some fans here sa Marikina Sports Center. Gaano ka-exciting yung magiging Junior World Showcase natin?
Sobrang exciting, Coach Ernest. Bakit ka mo? From 29 teams, nag-start tayo sa Pampanga kay Governor Delta Pineda. Second conference, nagkaroon tayong 36 teams, I think. Sa Cagayan de Oro naman kay Mayor Clarix Uy. This time kay Governor Pam at sa mga mayors doon sa Cebu. 50 teams na tayo, Coach. Iba-ibang bansa ang magpupunta dyan. Mas nadagdagan tayo ng other country. Bukod doon, Coach Ernest, na maganda doon. Yung tipong, yung mga taga-Pilipinas, gusto kalabanin sila. Kaya lang, hindi na natin kaya i-accommodate yung ibang teams. Kaya nag-stack na tayo sa 50 teams. So, yun po, nakikiusap po ako at humingi ng paumanhin sa mga hindi po nakasali na other teams sa other country dito sa Pilipinas. Talaga pong sobrang dami na ng teams na yung 50 teams. Next year po, gagawin namin 7 gyms or 8 gyms para ma-accommodate po kayong lahat.
Yes, it's gonna be
yes.
very exciting indeed, Boss Ray. As now, led by this guy, number 14, Zach Concepcion. Paunti-unti sila nakakahabol dito. Great adjustment by Coach Jeff and Coach Kim na pagbaba ng bola, set a screen for Zach Concepcion, allow him to play off that ball screen. Nakashoot na siya, led by himself. Pag wala naman, hinahanap niya yung mga open teammates niya.
Yes, ngayon pa lang, Coach Ernest, ulitin ko, nagpapasalamat tayo Governor Pam ng Cebu, especially sa mga mayors na talagang nagtulong-tulong para mapaganda ang Junior World Showcase ng Sinagdiga Asia. Especially to our directors in Washington DC, New York, sa USA, Edmond Quintana and Eric Quintana, at sa mga kasama nila dyan, sila Boss Kuya, Ronnie Ocampo.
Yeah, si Juan Bendoy makes that easy shot, just towering over these players of Junior Boomers. Kailangan magbakaw dito ni Raiden Chan.
Totoo. Actually, yun nga sinasabi ko sa dati niya eh. Kumuha siya ng kuha ng bola, itira niya ng itira o atakihin niya.
Nice. But good pass from Raiden Chan as Zach Concepcion makes that floater going to the left. Yeah, you have to appreciate itong dalawang matchup natin kanina, talking about Jack Almadin and Raiden Chan, na yes, sila technically yung bida dito for today's game, pero yung unselfishness nila, talagang hinahanap nila yung mga open teammates nila, hindi sila nagbabakaw. Sobrang gandang mentality yun, sobrang gandang attitude coming from these players.
Totoo. Kaya matututo talaga ng mga batang to kasi pagka may double team, marunong sila pumasa. Pagka error, okay lang yan, baba tayo. Yung hindi yung bossy type ba na
Yes.
alam mo yun, naghihintay na lang ng bola or ano. Pero gaya nga Sinagdiga siya, maraming boss na naglalaro pero mga palaban.
Oo.
Hindi yung pa-bossy type talaga na bibigyan na ng bola, tira, ganun-ganun. Dumidepensa itong mga to, Coach Ernest.
Yeah, Zach Concepcion makes another floater again. This two-guard combo, talking about Zach Concepcion and itong si Raiden Chan, sila lang yung nagpapasahan, making things happen for Junior Boomers here.
Kailangan nila yun. Mas bilisan nila yung laro. Dumipensa sila ng maganda.
Jack Almadin fakes. Ganda ng dribble. So we see number 5 struggling.
Yan ang maganda sa mga official natin dito. Kahit ang mga bata yan, hindi pa sila tumatawag ng konting bangga or konting tapek. Kasi doon sila mapapractice, Coach Ernest.
Yes, gandang insight on Boss Ray. Talagang importanteng maramdaman agad na itong mga batang to kung gaano ka-physical yung sport. Nice action. Kaso medyo malakas doon for Raiden Chan.
Nice tee, ha?
Yeah. Zach
Yan na.
Concepcion drives to the right.
Ganda
Finding
na po!
someone open. Wow! That's
What
number
a pass.
7.
Nagpakita ng highlights. Doon talagang gusto mapasama sa highlights. Yung pasa na yun, sa tira na yun.
Yeah, Jaden Concepcion. Medyo quiet dito pero talagang nagsisimula na silang mag-dominate dito. Talking about Junior Boomers. Nice. Zach Concepcion absorbing the contact. Napakagaling, napakatalino. Hiding the ball on his right hip. Talagang hindi makukuha ng kalaban eh.
Saka parang pasensya ng bata. Hindi nagmamadali. Relax lang siya.
Jaden Concepcion finding someone open. Set up tayo para dito kay Zach Concepcion. Raiden Chan.
Alam niya eh.
Hand off.
Tinatawag niya, Coach Ernest eh.
Yeah. Raiden. Good
Ganda ng
bounce
pasa.
pass.
Wow, nice break.
Miggy.
Ang haba lang talaga.
Yeah, gets blocked by Bendoy as they get the ball again. Another opportunity. 3 points. No. Same ball.
Same ball tayo. Ang haba. Right out mo yun. Nalula yung binantayan eh.
Oo, and yun rin yung you have to give credit din dito sa Street Hoops Basketball kung ba't sila madaming steals na nagagawa. Hindi makapasok itong kalaban. Pag pumasok naman sila, lengthy. Itong mga players ng Street Hoops, ang haba, matatangkad, kaya talagang ang galing nila umagaw ng bola and the timing as well.
Yun lang nakalimutan ni Jack Tilo na malayo pa siya.
Yeah.
Pero pwede yun eh. Full stop siya, tira niya kung gusto niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero okay lang yun. Diyan sila matututo sa mga error na gano'n.
Zach Concepcion asking for a screen. Raiden Chan popping out.
Ganda ng fake.
Jaden, nice. It's the Concepcion duo making things happen here para dito sa Junior Boomers. Unting-unting nakakahabol, unting-unting ginagawang competitive itong laban. No foul. Good tap.
Ang haba ni Jack sa kambilis.
Yeah, as Almonte finds Bendoy again. Libre.
Pwede nang tumulkin eh, no?
Yeah, an exciting future para dito sa mga players ng Street Hoops as well as sa Junior Boomers. Talking about this guy, Zach Concepcion. Floater again, napaka-perfect.
Alam niya eh. Saka pag... I think, yun ang pamatay ng batang to.
Yeah, 1 second to go. They were not able to capitalize on that possession. Pero nice things happening here para sa Junior Boomers as they continue to make an effort here. Ito yung mga highlights natin, Boss Ray. Hindi na lang puro nakadilaw yung makikita natin dito. Led by this guy, Zach Concepcion. Just continuing to making things happen here. Pero itong si John Mendez, si Prince Peña, just making things hard para dito sa Junior Boomers as we end our third quarter, 68-30.
Lahat ng future stars sa basketball nagdi-discover nila. Basta dito
We're here to request
nagligasya. Sa laban hindi
July 1 to 5.
lagi nandyan. Kasi sabi nga nila ay we are
There's a game in Coliseum. It's for free. Everything is free here. Those are available.
Mga kasinag, abangan mo kami dito sa Cebu sa July 1 to 5.
And now we're back here para sa fourth quarter natin. Junior Boomers making an effort during the third quarter. Talagang nagkakaroon na sila ng runs dito. They just need to take care of the ball better. Zach Concepcion just leading the way para dito sa Junior Boomers. Pero yun na nga yung difficulty na nararamdaman at napagdadaanan nila dito. Masyadong matangkad, masyadong lengthy. Playing good defense itong Street Hoops.
Pero coach, magandang experience sa mga Junior Boomers ha. Kasi doon makikita nila na, alam mo yun, malalaki, kailangan gawa ng paraan, hindi
Yeah.
basta-basta pala ang basketball.
Oo, yun yung magandang yung sinabi mong Boss Ray. Ito agad yung ma-experience na itong mga batang to. As Jack Almadin forces another turnover. Counter steal for Joaquim Co. No good. Jack Almadin. Agaw na naman ni Joaquim Co.
Galing ng walking ko.
Yeah. Good
Nice
pass.
pass! Woo!
Wow.
Ang ganda ng move na yun, Coach Ernest.
Yeah, this guy is special. Talking about Zach Concepcion, yung ability niya to play.
Galing naman eh.
Wow.
Iba yung ko ha. May papakitang gilas ha. Nakakalaban siya kahit bata lang siya.
Look at this boss. Drives down the floor. Collapsing yung depensa. Good fake by Zach Concepcion. Ang ganda ng finish. Gagaling ng mga batang to.
Sarap panoorin, you know? Alam mo yung fake, tapos turnaround. Hindi may tuturo basta-basta yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Talagang lumalabas eh. Open, tingnan natin yung gagawin. So,
Yeah, Joaquim Co doesn't force us the issue. Number 14, Zach Concepcion. Medyo struggling here kung anong gagawin. Joaquim Co gets the ball again.
ganda ng pasa na naman.
Number 8, misses.
Okay lang, baba. Talagang galing niya, no? Talagang kahit mali siya, dinadaan niya sa bilis eh.
Yeah, Joaquim Co, despite of him being the smallest dito sa floor, nauuna pang tumalon
Totoo.
sa rebounding battle, boss.
Actually, Coach Ernest, ano yung nakikita mo dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ay, yung mga point guard, maliliit, pero mas nagugustuhan ng mga coaches natin yung dito kumpara sa malalaking point guard. Bakit?
Yeah, well, unang-una, tulad nga sinabi ng mga coaches sa Korea, kung ba't sila kumukuha with the likes of JD Kagulangan, SJ Belangel, grabe daw yung puso, boss. Grabe daw yung mentality, the way they play, very different sa mga players na, yes nga, malalaki, yes nga, may experience overseas, pero yung puso ng Pinoy with the likes of JD Kagulangan, ito si SJ Belangel, and yun nga, yung ibang gwardiya pa neto dito sa KBL. Talagang hindi mo matatanggal yung grit, hindi mo matatanggal yung effort na binibigay for their love of the game.
Sa madaling salita, hindi mo tatawaran ng puso ng Pinoy player.
Zach Concepcion.
Ganda!
Tulad nito. See? Grabe, going up against two, adjusting to his original man. Yung floater medyo inilag pero na-shoot pa din as Joaquim Ko tries to force the turnover. Good fake by Jack Almadin. Doesn't force the issue.
Galing talaga ng number 14. Gabi ko, Chornes.
Yeah.
Kaya lang, laki talaga eh.
Yep.
Kaya
This
nga
guy.
sinabi mo sa Marina, high smile.
Jan Bakil. You can see the players, the bench as well, even the coaches laughing it off, just smiling. A good win para sa kanila dito. Another turnover led by this guy, Prince Peña. Pang-anim na ba? Ay, hindi. Jump shot naman daw, boss Ray. Pero nagbintis.
Nagpakita siya ng jump shot.
Oo.
Negative, no?
Zach Concepcion.
Galing ni Jack
Grabe
doon.
ang haba ni Jack Almadin. Prince Peña, right side naman this time. Yun na.
Sinigurado na. Tinutok.
A quick timeout para sa Junior Boomers. Rightfully so. As Street Hoops basketball continues to dominate here. Jack Almadin with that steal. Prince Peña, a very nice looking layup para sa kanya dito. As we have a timeout. 75-34.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
And we are here again at Marikina Sports Center, in the heart of Marikina City. Again, nakikita natin yung mga fans natin. Unti-unti nang dumadami. Boss Ray, again, etong games po natin today, free admission. So wag po kayong mahiyang pumunta, support itong Exile at Fire Chief. As makikita nga natin, Boss Joey X1 Valencia, maagang maaga. Excited, Boss Ray, as his team makes their first official finals appearance, Boss Ray. Gano'ng kakasaya for them and Boss Joey?
Siyempre si Boss Joey, unang-unang kaibigan ko yan, matagal na. Ang gusto talaga niyan, alam mo yun, masyado siyang
Supportive
fighter. Supportive fighter. Tapos talagang pagdating sa basketball, passion niya yan.
Yeah.
Ang masasabi ko na sa tao na yan, laging laban lang. Kaya nakaka-excite na pumasok ang team niya sa finals.
Yes, as Miggy Concepcion makes the three. Jack Almadin pushes, doesn't take that shot. Pass back. Jack Almadin, it's a miss. Raiden Chan gets the rebound, pero yun nga, Boss Ray eh.
Yes.
Yung gigil na dapat ikaw naman this time. Huwag ka pumasa
Tama.
ng pumasa. Goes to
Correct.
the left. Yun lang, turnover.
Dapat yung pag-rebound niya kanina, baba,
Siya na
dribble.
dapat.
Oh, yes. Yan na dapat matutunan nito ni Raiden Chan. Kasi okay na siya eh. Nakaka-rebound siya, nakaka-depensa siya. Ang kailangan niya talaga, matutong mag-dribble, pababa, para marami siyang magawa.
And again, tulad nga sinasabi ko kanina, this is the perfect time for Coach Kim to see kung ano yung mga mali at magagandang ginagawa nito ni Raiden Chan.
Tanda naman ang pasaling tatlong yun, parang nag-8-8 lang.
Too much unselfishness para dito sa Street Hoops, pero yun nga, maririnig mo si Boss Rocky, go for the ball, ask for the ball, dapat ikaw naman this time.
Totoo.
Another turnover, pero wow, look at that layup, boss.
Lumilipad.
Para mga 16 under na itong mga batang to eh, with the way they fly.
Fighter eh.
Yan na, Raiden Chan, yung matchup natin kanina, going to the right.
Marunong pala siya mag-dribble eh.
Yes, medyo ayun nga eh, too much unselfishness. Talagang mas inuuna yung mga teammates, pero kabila naman, Jack Almadin, walang pakialam sa mga teammates. Ako naman this time.
Sabi niya, akin naman to. Kanina pa kayo eh.
Masyado na kayo nag-enjoy.
Madaling araw pa kayo eh. Dapat yun na matutunan ni Raiden talaga. Ibaba yung bola, dumiskarte, kung paano gagawin.
I agree, boss. Dumiskarte. Yun yung
Diba?
perfect word doon.
Oo, dumiskarte. Yan, ganyan, nakuha niya. Or hindi niya man nakuha. Baba, tayo.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kasi doon siya titigas eh.
Let's turn it over to our court side. Bianca Alejandra. Bianca, go.
Based on the speed of this game, there is nothing more vital than to read and react. One of the stars writing his name on court is Jack Almadin. Ayon sa kanya, paalala lagi ni Coach Benjo Almadin na sipagan lang lagi, but beyond everything, stay humble with a lot of heart and determination from Jack. Let's see if the Street Hoops would get a taste of a well-deserved victory. Over to you, Coach Air and Boss Ray.
Thank you, Bianca Alejandra. Boss Ray, read and react. Pero mamaya makikita muna natin yun as we have a timeout para dito sa Junior Boomers. And of course, for our finals at Sinag Liga Asia 40, April 19 Sunday today at 6 p.m. Excel JCV, their first finals appearance para naman dito sa Fire Chief Fire Extinguisher. They will have an opportunity to be the first ever, to have the first ever Sinag Liga Asia Grand Slam para dito kay Boss Florence Cura, Coach Ronald Tubid, and the rest of the Fire Chief as we head back dito sa game natin, Boss Ray. Tulad yan sinasabi natin kanina sa report ni Bianca Alejandre, read and react offense para dito kay Jack Almadin and the rest of the players ng Street Hoops. That's the best thing you can teach para dito sa mga batang to na walang play-play. Talagang you read on what the defense is giving and you react kung anong ginagawa nila or binibigay nila and you play through those actions.
Haba eh, no? Talagang dumarating na lang yung bola sa kanila kasi kung sasabay ka, parang sumabay ka kay EJ Pyle.
Oo. But again, 40 to 85 ang score natin. That's gonna be a miss. Good effort.
Ganun lang, try lang ng try, di ba?
Prince Peña. Yun na, natawagan na.
sabi ng player, kanina ka pa eh.
Kanina, sasabihin ko pa lang. Pero look at this, boss. Before the fourth quarter started a while ago, 31 out of 38 para dito sa Street Hoops Basketball. 24 rebounds, 6 assists, 5 turnovers, and 6 steals para naman dito sa Junior Boomers. 11 turnovers, yun yung pumatay sa kanila kung ba't sila nag-struggle dito. Pero 12 out of 20 naman sa 2-point field goal percentage nila. Struggled on both ends of the floor, pero yun nga eh, sa mga games na to, dito ka matututo tulad ng sinabi mo, Boss Ray, yung mga mali mo, panoorin mo, kung ano yung magandang ginawa mo, do better, make it, do it consistently. Dito ka mag-grow as a player, lalo na dito sa mga batang to.
Totoo yun. Baka maganda kay Choi, ang bilis pala tumakbo na ito.
Yeah.
Diba, okay lang yan. Maraming matututunan si Choi sa nangyari ngayon.
For sure.
Makakapag-ready sa Junior World Showcase.
Yan na. Raiden Chan.
Malakas pa rin.
Yeah.
Haba eh.
Yan. This is the perfect time for Raiden Chan na mas maglaro ng maglaro, boss. We have what? April, May, June, July, 3 months.
Yes, correct.
Bago mag-Junior World Showcase, alam naman natin yung mga kalaban doon kung gaano ka-talented, gaano kalalaki, gaano ka-experienced, most especially yung mga players. As we can see itong mga fans dito waiting para sa finals game natin. Pero yun nga, yun yung mga kalaban ni Raiden Chan, neto ni Jack Almadin. So, yung preparation nila very important dito. Hindi lang sila dapat skills, hindi lang sila dapat nag-e-ensayo systematically, dapat din naglalaro sila nung naglalaro.
Yes, mga liga, limahan. Kasi doon sila makakuha ng experience eh.
Yeah, yun yung sinasabi mo, boss, na kay Moore, na talagang gumaling siya. Reason being, bata pa lang, kung sang squatter area mo na dinala Nakikipagbugbugan, nakikipaglaro sa mga kung kani-kanino,
Mama.
sa mga solar boy, sa mga mama. And it may seem funny sa mga ibang parents na maririnig to, pero doon talaga gagaling
Totoo.
Maka-experience sa mga iba't ibang playstyle,